out of the oven, and how do they look?
Professional.
They do look professional. Hello everyone, welcome back to our home. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of baking, and since I had Blake help me, I thought, oh my goodness, this is the perfect opportunity to film this. I really want this for my family archives. I think this kind of thing is a treasure, so I'm bringing you guys along with us. I'm going to be lighting a candle since it is fall time, and I really wanted this to be cozy, not only for Blake and I as we're cooking, but also kind of for you guys as you're watching. So this is the Autumn Candle by Bath & Body. I know this is a fall bake with me, but Blake really wanted to wear his little elf on the shelf apron and baker's hat, and there was no way I was gonna say no to this. This is probably his last year wearing it before he outgrows it. So thank you guys so much for joining, and let's get started. What are we gonna make today?
Cookies.
Yeah, they're really good. I get this recipe off of Pinterest, and it is just your classic pumpkin chocolate chip cookie. Mixing butterscotch and chocolate chips is so good. So that's a little variation that we love to do. And then I'm gonna mix up the spices just a bit because I don't think I have ground cloves, so I'm gonna use pumpkin pie spice instead. I've got my oven preset to 350 degrees, and Blakey is gonna help me make these cookies. 2 cups flour.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every
Now wait. Mom, look.
What?
It's snowing on the mountains.
Okay, good job.
meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it.
Stop.
Okay, baby. Here's 1/2 teaspoon ginger. Can you put it in there?
A little ball.
Okay, you make a little ball. You plop it in there.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Are you ready for 1/2 cup of sugar?
Yo, yeah.
Babe, you gotta stop playing in there.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
Mom, I'm smashing it.
Let us know what fall is like where you guys live. Right now, what's it like outside?
Sunny? This sunny.
It's sunny. Is it cold or is it just kind of warm?
Warm.
So where we are right now, it's like in between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's gorgeous. The leaves are changing, and it's just the absolute perfect time right now for fall. So let us know in a comment what fall is like right now where you guys are.
Start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time.
Oh. Yeah, this is actually very easy.
It's very easy?
Yeah, it's easy.
Now we need a teaspoon of vanilla. Don't put your finger in there. Okay, here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna have a taste of the batter.
We need 1 whole teaspoon vanilla. No, don't taste this one, honey. It has raw eggs.
How good is it smelling?
It smells good. It smells.
Oh man, that smells
Oh,
really
it
good.
smells amazing.
It smells like fall.
Yeah, it does smell like fall.
Can I pull it?
You bet, baby.
Is it like a real baker?
You bet.
Yeah.
We have our sugar, our oil, our egg, our vanilla, and now our pumpkin. We are almost done. Good job. You're like a professional.
I am mixing. I am like a real
butterscotch chips. I don't have very many, probably only 1/4 a cup, which just is not enough, because I like to do half and half. This recipe calls for 3/4 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips and 3/4 cups milk chocolate. But we have like a 1/4 cup of butterscotch, and these are so good in here, you guys. I am telling you, they're the best. And then I'm gonna add about a cup of semi-sweet. Here, baby, you wanna pour these in? And do it.
No, I get to make it.
Okay, baby.
I'm a baker.
All right, darling.
And you won't.
I thought I was a baker too.
No, you won't, because you're not running the baking stuff. Baby.
Oh, I forgot my baking stuff. Dang it.
You got your baking stuff, so you're not a baker.
Oh, man.
I'm a baker.
I love using parchment paper just to help everything not to stick, and that way you can avoid using like ham or butter, so I recommend this stuff. One tip I have for this one too is not to make the cookies too big. If you make them a little bit too big, okay, hold on, baby, let mommy do a few. These actually might be a little too big, I will see, but sometimes they can end up.
My mom thinks she's the baker.
Sometimes they can end up still being a little bit doughy in the middle. So let's see how these do with this size. Whoa! And we might need to make the next batch just a little bit smaller. Okay, you close it. Thank you. I like to let these bake for about 13 minutes, but these cookies, they're kind of tricky. I feel like with the baking portion, you have to kind of keep an eye. You don't want to over bake them for sure because they just dry out, but if you under bake them, they're a little doughy in the middle. So my advice is to just make them a little small and then put them in your oven depending on how hot it is. Everyone's oven is different, but for me, 13 minutes is just about perfect. I hear Lila kind of waking up here on the monitor. She's been having a nap, but she does need to eat. So perfect timing. I'm gonna let these cook for about 13 minutes and then be right back. Blakey, they came out of the oven, and how do they look?
Professional.
They do look professional. These look and smell so yummy. You did awesome. Is it yummy? Blakey.
Ew, that is actually.
They're really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you have fun with mommy?
Yeah.
I had fun with you too, babe. Thanks for helping me. I love to bake this time of year, so I would love to bring you along with some of our favorite family recipes. Let us know what your kids are gonna be for Halloween. What are you gonna be?
Power Rangers.
That's right. Let us know in the comment what your kids are gonna be for Halloween this year. And if you end up trying these are so good and some of our very, very favorite fall recipes. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.